Hello and welcome to my Cloning Made Easy tutorial. Today we're going to go through a few simple steps and see how easy it is to make a cloned repetition of the same person. Or it could be an animal, or it could be an object, whatever you choose. So let's begin. What you will need: camera with either a self-timer or external shutter release, tripod, for outdoors, either overcast lighting or a bright sunny day. For indoors, bright room lighting, and if your camera has facial recognition, be sure to set it on auto. I'm using Photoshop CC today to accomplish our task. So the first thing I'm going to do now is go into File, then Scripts, then go down to Load Files into Stack. Then Browse, select the 3 images that I have taken now, and we'll click OK, and then OK on here. Next, I'm going to select the top image and go down to Mask, Second Image, and Mask, and that's all we need. Okay, back up to our first image mask, and make sure to have black and white selected on the color panel. And then, I'll tell you what, I'm going to enlarge the image so we can see this better. And then I'm going to use the quick selection tool and quickly highlight our subject. Okay, I think we've got it now. Reduce it in size. Make sure this is highlighted. Let's see, we're going to go into our paintbrush. Make sure black is on top. And because we have the quick selection tool covering it, we can go out here and not worry about this going where it shouldn't go. And that worked out pretty good. And then we do a Control D to set that. And then I'm going to do Control I to invert it. And that brings up our second image. And that worked out pretty good. Now we're going to highlight this mask. And again, I'm going to do the quick selection tool here on our second subject here. And it doesn't have to be too perfect, although the area around them, I do want to bring that in, because that could create a weird shadow if you don't do that. Okay, so that will work, I think, pretty well. I need to paint it out with a black first. Okay, now do Control D, and then I'm going to do the Control I, and that will bring up our other person in our picture. And so if you want, you can stop here, but if you want to make it a little better composed, which I like to do, I'm going to do a Control Shift E to merge these together. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the crop tool now. And we could go with that. I think that'll work. And there you go.